CadMakers Robotics Cell Design Assist services provide your manufacturing engineers new levels of insight into their projects. Whether you're programming offline to minimize production interruptions or to validate a cell before installation, we can help. The first step in CadMakers Body-in-White Cell Design Assist service is to virtually replicate the workstation. Using DXF drawings, layouts, and a pre-existing library of simulatable robots, we can recreate your cell in 3D experience. We can also capture 3D scans to use in place of or as a supplement to traditional inputs. We then add kinematics and control functions to any custom end-of-arm tooling utilized in the cell. This can include building spot weld profiles, specifying parameters like weld depth and pressure to be referenced in the simulation. Next, the spot weld point operations are recorded as targets on the workpiece, and a reach study is performed to ensure all assets are sized and located correctly. This data can be exported as a CSV and manipulated and re-imported if needed. Once all tags have been defined, they are linked together in a sequence to create a robot program. At this stage, the program can be played through to identify any clashes between the robot, the end effector, the workpiece, jigs and fixtures, or anything else in the environment. Fine-tuning robot motion profiles happens next and joint limits are checked. Speed and acceleration plots are monitored in those cases where robots are handling heavy payloads. Final deliverables typically include videos and pictures of the simulation. Reports containing graphics and key figures relevant to the scope and robot program are exported in any major robot manufacturer's language, such as KUKA or Fanuc, for immediate deployment. Our digital twin capabilities are not limited to body-in-white spot welding. They also include pick-and-place operations, welding and adhesive bead applications, dispensing from a stationary unit or an end effector, as well as spray applications and milling. Please reach out if you'd like to learn more about CadMakers and our robot-related services.